optimize Windows 11 for gaming, max FPS and performance.
Hey guys, in this video, I'm going to show you how you can optimize Windows 11 for gaming in 2026 to get better FPS and performance. Stick around till the end so you don't miss anything important. Let's get started. First, enable Game Mode. Open Settings by pressing Windows plus I on your keyboard. Then go to Gaming and click on Game Mode. Make sure Game Mode is turned on. This helps Windows focus system resources on your game and reduces background activity, which improves performance while gaming. Second, change your graphics performance settings. Go back to Settings, open System, then Display, and click on Graphics. Turn on Hardware Accelerated GPU Scheduling if available. After that, add your game using the Browse option, click on it, select Options, and set it to High Performance. This ensures your dedicated GPU is fully used for gaming. Once you finish these two settings, restart your PC so the changes apply properly. You should now notice smoother gameplay and better FPS in most games. That's it for this video. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.